Hello students, welcome back to the class. So the last class we have discussed about equality and essential features of equality. In the last class we have mainly discussed about this concept. In this point we have discussed about, in essential features we have discussed about equality has a claim of rights. Okay. Now we are discussing the second point. We will discuss in this class equality as a modern idea. Equality was originated as modern idea. So this is the second point we will discuss now. Okay, we will go forward. Now already we have discussed in the introduction point about the concept of equality and equality. This is one of the important features in the political theory. Okay, this concept was mainly, this is one of the important concept in political theory. Aristotle have described that inequalities are mainly because of revolution. Okay, human beings, we have discussed, human beings are quite unequal in nature due to the natural hierarchy, natural human hierarchy. Some human beings are very intelligent, some are very sharp. Already we have discussed in the last class, due to the natural ability also. Okay, due to some people has a very good natural ability, so what will happen, they will develop very fast. Some people lacks the ability. Okay, some people are very poor, so they lacks the ability, so they will not develop. So inequalities are mainly because of nature also. So for example, some are strong, weak and intelligent, etc. Now here equality have inspired many people from France, America, Russia as well as India. The concept of equality have greatly inspired the countries from all the section, all the parts of the country. Okay, it was greatly inspired from various countries from France, America, Russia as well as India. Now we will go forward. Equality as a modern idea. Already we have discussed what now. Meaning what? Equality implies that equality before law. When all the people are equal before law, that is equality. All the people are equal before law, and all the people's law should be protected equally. All the people should be protected equal before the law. When all the people are treated equality before law and equal protection of law. So political science resemble the definition of equality to equality before law, equal protection of law. Now in the last class we have discussed about equality has a claim of rights. Okay, in this class we are going with a concept which is called equality as a modern idea. Okay, equality is a modern idea. We have already now large inequalities mainly because of these three factors: inequalities of wealth, prestige is nothing but reputation and power. Okay, large inequalities of wealth, prestige and power. These three things are the prominent and these are the universal features of social structure. Universal features means applicable to the all. Whenever anything is applicable to all, okay, common thing, that is universal feature. So inequalities, large inequalities of wealth, prestige and power, these are the prominent things. Okay, and these are considered as the universal features of social structure. Okay, that is one point. So social structure is nothing but treating together with the concept of social changes. Whenever if you are treating with the concept of social changes, that is social structure. Beginning of the scientific age, man started learning a natural phenomena. Okay, natural phenomena, the phenomena which are mainly occurred by nature, such as weather, fog, clouds, precipitation, sunlight, rainfall, all this comes under the natural phenomena. So here, since from the beginning man started learning the natural phenomena, he started learning rational. Rational means reasonably. Okay, anything which occurs due to some reason, that is called as rational. Okay, scientific way of understanding is called as rational. And empirical. Empirical means the person who mainly believes in practical knowledge than theories, that is called empirical. So in the beginning, since from the beginning of the scientific age, the man started learning the natural phenomena. He started learning the natural phenomena based upon the reasoning and based upon the practical experience. Okay, that is. Now this paved the way for certain social inequalities have removed. Okay, due to which the social inequalities at certain extents have greatly removed. So this is one point. If inequalities have to remove, human have to make certain effort. Okay. A last point which I wanted to say, inequalities can be removed only by the effort of human beings. Now in the modern age, if you see, the inequalities have greatly decreased. Ancient times the inequalities are there, but as soon as when the man started leading toward the scientific age, then what happened? The inequalities started decreasing. Today all over the countries, if you see, once upon a time there were no democratic countries, but today when we are seeing in the modern age, if you see slowly, almost all the countries are democratic countries. Democratic implies equality before law. All the people are equal. Okay, and all the powers are vested in front of all the people equally. Okay, that is called as democratic country. So demos means people and credits means power. So what is my point to say is, as soon as when the man started leading toward the scientific age, he started learning the natural phenomena. He started learning based upon the reasoning and practical experience, and when he started leading toward the scientific age, inequalities at the same time, social inequalities have greatly decreased. So from this we have understand that human effort is very, very important, okay, to remove such types of inequalities. So equality has a modern idea, okay, modern ideas, equality has a modern idea. So as soon as when we are going towards the modern age, inequalities are also removing, because in the modern age we are getting some ideas like socialism, communism, okay. So these types of ideas are greatly developing, such as socialism, democracy. These are the ideas in the modern age. Because of the development of these ideas, what is happening? Everybody is enjoying equality in the society. Okay, that is the point. So once again we will go for the introduction points, and we will discuss about what is meant by equality as a modern idea. So introduction point already we have discussed, children. The concept of equality and inequalities are mainly originated from the political theories, and Aristotle have discovered that inequalities are mainly because of inequalities are mainly responsible for many revolutions. We have seen different type of revolutions, French Revolution, England Revolution, okay, 1857 revolt in India, that is also, this all revolution was taking places because of the inequalities in the society. So Aristotle discovered that human beings are unequal in nature, that is called natural human hierarchy. So most of the human beings are not equality in nature. So complete equality is not possible. If you want complete equality, it is not possible. But in terms of political equality, what is meant by political equality? When the mans are treated equality before law and equal protection of law, so that is called as political equality. So some people, complete equalities cannot be achieved because some people are very strong, weak, okay, according to their ability, according to the natural ability they will develop. For example, if you see the government jobs, I said most of the job they prefer intelligence. Okay, intelligent peoples can get the job easily, but whatever the unintelligent peoples are there, they can't able to get the jobs. So when they will get jobs, they develop fastly, okay, they will go faster. Intelligent peoples will develop very fastly. Either if you go to any MNC companies, multinational companies, they will hire only the intelligent peoples. So when these intelligent peoples are hired by the MNC company, what is the result? These peoples will develop very fastly. But whatever the peoples they lack the abilities, they remains always backward. So sometimes the natural hierarchy is also responsible for inequality. But what we wanted is political equality. Political equality is in the sense when the man is equal before law and equal protection of law, that is political equality. So in the last class we have discussed about equality as a claim of rights. In this class we will going to discuss about equality as a modern idea. Modern idea, because of the development of modern idea, inequalities will decrease and equality will develop. For example, equality in the modern idea, when you are saying large inequalities of wealth, prestige and power, this is the main thing where the people, everybody desires for wealth, prestige, power. So large inequalities of wealth, prestige, power, these are the prominent and these are the universal features of the social structure. Okay, since from the beginning of scientific age, man started leaning towards the natural phenomena. Man started thinking rational as well as empirical knowledge according to the reasonable and practical experience. Man at present have removed the social inequality. As soon as when we are going forward, as soon as when we are going toward the scientific development, scientific age, when we started going towards modern development, new important ideas will going to develop. So that will promote the equality in the society. For example, during the 20th century, socialism, this is a new concept developed. So some important countries were adopted, and what is the result is they have able to develop equality in that society. So similarly Russia. Okay. So like that in the future also, as soon as when we are going towards the modern age, man, based upon the rational thinking and practical experience, he can develop some modern ideas, and these modern ideas are mainly responsible to decrease inequalities in the society in the future. So from this we have wanted to say that human efforts are very important. Okay, human practical effort, okay, knowledge is very important to decrease the inequalities from the society. So children, this is the concept which we have discussed. We have discussed about the equality as a modern idea. In the next lesson we will discuss with a new concept, with a new point, same point, equality as an essential feature of equality. We will discuss third point. Third and fourth point we will discuss in the next class. Up to till now, thank you very much everybody.